Page 33, trading baseball cards. See, I'm trusting the process I used to learn a piece of music to take me through everything. Because I look at it and think, oh, what? It's all going on here. Yeah. I just trust this process because I'll look at it, I kind of tear it apart and I put it back together piece by piece. First, I look it over. It's a page long. I want to know an idea about how long it is. Treble bass clef, always check the clef signs. You can't trust those boogers. 4/4 time signature. And I see half notes, whole notes, and quarter notes. I think I can handle all that. The hands, for the most part, are actually playing one hand at a time. So I'm going to take both hands together. The left hand starts here. That puts the hand here. You don't need any other finger numbers. Just read the notes. The right hand's playing that C chord, so you're here. We're in C position. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Hold that down as you do this. And then F, G. You get the idea? Then measure 9, it switches it. The right hand gets this, and then the hand. Hold the G down as you're doing that. You get the idea? That's the piece. So once you kind of get in and realize what's going on, maybe not quite so bad. Well, once I got the notes and rhythms and fingerings okay, then I'll go back over it slowly and make sure there's no hesitations. After that, I add in the articulation. You must connect it. Lift up. Lift up. So I'm lifting up every couple of measures for the melody. The right hand is staccato here. Measure 9, it switches. Well, the right hand gets that. Staccato. And you see the notes under play bottom note key with a rich tone. Good luck. And the second measure, keep the fingers close to the key. The idea is when you're doing this with the wrist, don't come flapping around. Stay real close to the keys. It doesn't take much. Bump, bump, bump. That's all it is. Rich tone thingy, just if you'll stay relaxed, the tone of the piano will take care of itself. Then after that, I add the dynamics. You don't need two dynamics. The dynamic applies to the melody, and that's going to be the half notes. Loud. These need to be in the background, but you don't need to be just in the background. I want to hear this while I'm playing this, so don't drown it out. Measure 9, it switches where the right hand gets loud and the left hand's softer. Then the speed, which is cheerful. So be cheerful. Something like that, I guess. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel that on these. Bum, 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 bum. Each time. Feel the natural accents. Let's play that together and check that you have the right notes and rhythms. Once you can play it at least slowly. I'm not doing louds and softs. We're not performing it, and we are going to go slow. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4.